here with Michael Woelk, CEO of Piccaro. Michael, can you tell us a little bit about Piccaro's new gas analyzer?
Sure. It's a device that leverages the world's highest performing instrument for measuring greenhouse gases, and of course methane is the principal component of natural gas and is a greenhouse gas. And so what we've done is taken that level of performance that the best atmospheric researchers in the world use and put it in the trunk of a car. So we're able to get levels of precision on the order of a part per billion in 1 second, which is what those atmospheric researchers need, and put that into a deployable device so that people can literally drive around their neighborhood or their grid and find natural gas leaks at a speed that the utility companies never thought possible before.
What is the alert system for something like this?
Well, what it does is essentially alerts people to where they have gas leaks within their grid. So as an operator is driving, let's say, at the speed limit, be it 30 or 40 miles an hour, we're actually dropping tags with concentration measurements as well as isotopic composition information, which is what determines that it's natural gas and not biological gas, into a map, so that executives or supervisors who are responsible for fixing leaks know which leaks they want to go to first. So today what we're principally focused on is working with utilities to deploy this around high consequence areas where people live in urban centers. But the technology is also available for anybody else that cares to find leaks or emissions, fugitive emissions from everything from transmission pipelines even to large area sources like refineries or fracking locations.
How will this help the natural gas industry as a whole, or change their perception that people have?
Well, it's a great question, and we hope that it does change the perception, because I say natural gas is good, but the leaks are bad. The problem with natural gas is not when it's used, it's when it leaks. And the problem is that the world's infrastructure of how natural gas is distributed to the point of consumption, those pipes are old and literally full of holes. So we have to find the holes and we have to plug them. And once that is done, then natural gas will realize its promise as a truly clean bridge fuel. What we're able to do for those people that are in the transmission and distribution sector, first and foremost, is because we're able to survey at such high speeds, literally at the speed limit, the cost per survey goes way, way down, which means, of course, that the frequency of surveys can go way up. And that means that their grids are safer for their customers.
Well, thank you very much for meeting with us.
My pleasure.